Hey guys, welcome to my channel Babli Beauty and Kitchen. Here I am reviewing MCaffine Naked Detox Green Tea Body Gel Lotion. I bought it at Nika sale. They given me the free samples of MCaffine miniature kit with this small cute pouch which contains two little beautiful jars. The first bottle is MCaffine's mini coffee body scrub. And the second bottle is MCaffine's mini choco body butter. I will show you the complete review of this miniature kit in another video. Now I am reviewing the MCaffine green tea body gel lotion. At first I am going to show the packaging of the product. It comes with the pump and the packaging of the bottle is of plastic. The pump has 360 degrees rotation. Near pump, you can see a holder holding the pump. You need to take out the holder to pump out the lotion. After the usage, you can secure it with the holder. It helps to prevent leakage of the product. And it makes it travel friendly also. Let's see what the product claims. MCaffine Naked Detox Green Tea Body Gel Lotion. It says it's lightweight, non-greasy and moisturizing lotion. It also have green tea with vitamin C. These both ingredients are amazing for the skin with green tea at the heart. As well as green tea helps to detox our body naturally. And it also contains caffeine which tones the skin. As we all know how beneficial is vitamin C for brightening our skin. This is recommended for oily skin. Its net quantity is of 200 ml and it's retail for 355 rupees. But I got it for 335 rupees at Nika. The shelf life of the product is 2 years, September 2019 to August 2021. And the above matter says about what the product claims. And the other side of the package says about caution, ingredients and direction of use. MCaffine is the India's first caffeinated personal care brand. It contains natural ingredients. It is SLS and paraben free product. Dermatologically tested, approved by FDA and vegan. For usage, pump 3 to 4 dollops of lotion into your palm and gently massage it over your body. It has calming aroma which evaluates your sense. The lotion also protects from sun damage. It is non-greasy and absorbs into your skin easily. I had used this product for a month and it exactly did that what it claims. This is the perfect body lotion for summers. And I suggest you to try this body lotion in this summers. I hope you liked this video. Then like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye.